Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are busy in finishing the work given by the different teachers in different subjects. So today I'll teach you the topic weeds from the chapter crop production and management. So first of all you should know what are weeds. Weeds are the undesirable plants that grow naturally. The word naturally here it is very much important because they grow naturally. You never grow the weeds. They grow naturally with the crop in the field. Undesirable. Now the meaning of word undesirable. Undesirable means the plants that are not needed. They are said to be the undesirable. Now question arises, why these weeds they are harmful for the crop? They are harmful for the crop because they compete with the crop for water, nutrients, space and light. This is again very important question. It is there in your NCERT book. So mark it important that why weeds they are very much harmful for the plant. Right? Now the term come weeding. Weeding means removal of weed from the field. It is said to be the weeding. Now what are the different methods by which the farmer remove weeds? So there are different methods. First is tilling before sowing of crop. Tilling means plowing. When you do the plowing, the soil turns upside down, as a result of which weeds get uprooted and after some time they get dry. Second method is you can remove weeds manually by using khurpi, right? And you can uproot them or you can cut them close to the ground. So by different method you can remove the weed. Another very important method which nowadays it is used by the farmer by spraying weedicide, right? Now this is again very important. This question come in your examination. What are weedicides? This is also in class 9th NCERT book. So you should know what are weedicides. Weedicides are the chemicals that kills the weed but they do not damage the crop. They are weed specific, means they only kill the weeds. They will not kill the crop, right? Certain example they have given here. First is 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. It is also said to be the 2,4-D. Second is naphthalene acetic acid and third is atrazine. So these are certain weedicides which are used to kill the weeds. Now the question arises, what should farmer keep in mind while using weedicides? When should farmer remove the weed, right? So best time to remove the weed is before the crop start producing flowers and seeds. This is the best time. So they can ask in the examination that which is the best time when farmer can use weedicide. So before using the weedicide, farmer first dilute the weedicide with water. Dilute means it reduces the concentration of this weedicide. So whenever you want to remove the concentration, what you do? You add water in it. So by adding the water, the concentration of weedicide get reduced and then farmer can use it in the field. And the farmer while using the weedicide, he covers his mouth with a piece of cloth because these weedicides are the harmful chemical. They may affect the health of the farmer, right? Now the next is harvesting, right? Harvesting means the cutting of crop. It is said to be the cutting of crop when it mature, then it is said to be the harvesting. Now how harvesting is done? If you want to harvest the crop, you can pull out or you cut it close to the ground. There are two methods. You can pull out the crop or you can cut it close to the ground. So harvesting you can done manually. By hand you can also do by using sickle. Right, sickle, this is the traditional method. By using the sickle, it is the traditional method. Nowadays the farmers they are using machines, right, for harvesting the crop. Now after harvesting, thrashing is done. Thrashing is a process from which chaff is removed by the grain by beating the crop against a stone or a wooden bar. Again, this is the traditional method. Nowadays, for threshing and for harvesting, one agriculture implement is used, which is said to be the combine. So combine is a agricultural implement which is used as a harvester as well as thresher. Means there is no need of doing threshing after harvesting if you are using combine. Combine will itself cut the crop, and afterward it will also remove chaff from the grain, right? So this is the modern method. The traditional method, the farmers which are not very rich, they are using the traditional method. That means they are cutting the crop with their hands using sickle, and then they are doing the process of thrashing by beating the crop against a stone or a wooden bar. After threshing, winnowing is done. Winnowing, in class 6 you studied about winnowing, right? In chapter separation of substances. So winnowing separate the husk from the seed by blowing air. So husk can be used by the you can say it is used as a fodder for the kettles, right? And the grain being heavier, they get separated because husk is very light. So when strong wind it is blown or strong air is blown, then they get separated. Grain gets separated from the husk. Okay. Now I'll show you the picture of this harvesting and thrashing. Harvesting, the lady is cutting the crop by using sickle, and here the farmer is beating the harvested crop at to a stone. Okay. Now here this is the picture of combine. Combine means thrashing as well as harvesting is done by a same machine. Now the last picture is of winnowing, right? So by blowing air or by with the help of wind, the grains, they are separated from the husk. Thank you very much.